Hi everyone, welcome back again to Lucy Family Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today. Let's make breakfast with just oatmeal and banana. Please like and share this video. So to make this delicious and healthy breakfast, you'll be needing your ripe banana. So go ahead and peel your banana, then put it in your mixing bowl. And for today's recipe, I'm using only 3 banana, but you can use more depending on the quantity of breakfast which you are preparing. Next is to use a masher to mash your banana, but you can also use a fork or a spatula to mash your banana if you don't have a masher in your kitchen. Once you are done, go ahead and add your liquid milk. Add also a pinch of salt. Add your honey. You can also use white powdered sugar for this recipe. Then add 1 raw egg. And once you are done, use a whisk or a spatula to mix, to make sure you combine the whole ingredients together. Next, add in your oatmeal. So as you can see in the video, I'm using blended oatmeal. Next, use your whisk to continue mixing until you form a smooth and thick batter. So once you are done mixing your batter, place an empty pan on the heat, spray some vegetable oil, then use a brush to spread the oil. Once you are done, use your spatula to scoop in your batter into your pan. So while scooping in your batter, make sure you reduce the heat to prevent it from burning. Once you are done, spray in more vegetable oil to help your batter to cook well. Then let the batter to cook on a low heat for about 5 minutes. So 5 minutes later, flip your snacks and let it cook for another 5 more minutes on a low heat. Finally guys, use your spatula and take out the snacks off the heat. Then repeat the same process with your remaining batter until you finish making your snacks. So guys, this is what your snacks should look like after you are done making it. And don't forget to try this recipe at home. Also share what you think about this recipe on the comment section. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe after watching, and also like and share this video. See you guys on my next video.